Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1132 in a row. Here we are on Cash App, the simplest app to use to get started with Bitcoin. If you don't have the app yet, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. You can also check out the other videos on my channel. I have hundreds of tutorials and experiments. Let's hop over to the Bitcoin section. We're going to go through our Bitcoin buy today, and then we'll take a quick look at a chart here, see if there's any other interesting news to get into. So Bitcoin current price $38,775, down about 1%. Bitcoin is super volatile lately. You can see it went basically straight from about 38,900 up to about 40,000, and now basically straight down again. Down 5% on the week. You can see more of those straight up and down movements there. Down about 10% over the past month, and down 31% on the past year, which seems like a lot. It's not that much, you know. If you take a look at the chart, we're mostly moving sideways here over the past year, which is going to be like this zone that you see on this chart over here. But that's okay, we just keep dollar cost averaging. We're here for the long term. Let's scroll down here, see how much Bitcoin we have in my balance. 0.09401,379. Slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin there. Let's see if we have any news. SEC rejects spot Bitcoin ETF applications. I don't really like to get into that stuff. You know, if you want Bitcoin, just buy real Bitcoin. No reason to buy futures and all this fake stuff. Bitcoin spikes above 40K as Russia sees positive shifts in Ukraine war dialogue. And then it went straight back down, so who knows? Bitcoin derivatives market, 40K Bitcoin prices in reach. I don't know. So nothing very interesting on the news today. Really, Bitcoin has just been super volatile lately. If we take a look at this chart, you know, here's the start of the run up, and then we're kind of just going up and down in this sort of triangle pattern that's forming here, which has been a crazy roller coaster, you know. 46K to 34K to 45K to 36K to 44K 37K, just straight up and straight down. Very frustrating if you're a holder, but that's really what's happening. Hopefully we can break up from here. You can see we're kind of under these moving averages, so hopefully that doesn't bring us down to lower levels, but we'll see. If we take a look at this chart, you can kind of see that we're just in between these moving averages, and you really want to see us hold this green one and break up here. You don't want this red one to cross. You can see when the red one crosses, that's bad news. It's just bad news. So we don't want to see that. But that's where we're at, just in this sideways triangle pattern. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. So we can scroll down and see I now own 0.0940383 Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,643 divided by 1,132 days equals a 3.21x on my investment. So still doing very well with that. What that means for every dollar that I put into this experiment, I now have $3.21. Let's go ahead and do the gain math on this. $3,645 minus 1,132 days equals a gain of $2,513. So I'm happy with that. You know, I'm here for the long term with this experiment. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, buying every day. I'm also taking a look at the stocks here. Stocks are down bad. You know, I've gone straight down like 70% or something with no bounces. So I'm starting to dollar cost average stocks here very slowly. You know, I want to have money left, so if there's a major crash, I can buy in then. But here, I think I'm going to start dollar cost averaging a little, you know, just buying $1 here and there of all of these stocks that are down. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time buying those on video, but I think I'm gonna start buying at these levels a little bit. And there you have it. That'll do it for today's update. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.